In this video, I'm going to show you how to check profile recommendation status on Facebook, okay? Be sure to watch until the very end so you don't miss any step, okay? And if you're already a subscriber in this channel, you know very well that we don't waste time. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Let's get started. Click on your profile picture to the right. Now, click on the gear icon or the setting icon to the top right. This one here. Be very keen to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake, okay? Now scroll down. Then tap on pages. Then you want to click on this place labeled profile recommendation. Okay, now you can see this profile is recommendable, but I have a post that can jeopardize me. Okay, just click on review content and view that post. Now you can check the post that was flagged. I can go and delete the post to make sure that my profile stays in line with Facebook's recommendation policies. Okay, you can just click on the arrow back button. Then you can still click on profile status to view the recommendation status. Okay, you can see my profile can be recommended to other people because I don't normally post content that go against Facebook policies. Thank you guys for watching. Let's meet in the next video.